Hello and welcome to our channel Jora Vlogs. So today we're gonna unbox JBL Bar 800 home theater. And you can see this is the box we received. I've already opened the sides and you have all these features in them: Dolby Atmos, and if it is in even it is Alexa enabled, so it works with Alexa as well. It has a Bluetooth connectivity, HDMI port, and Spotify for you to play music. Chromecast also works in it. It's a built-in Chromecast and Dolby Vision as well. So you can see the box. This is how it looks, and I've already opened the sides, so I'm gonna open the speaker and show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna set it up, so Michelle is gonna help me with it. And this is the woofer. You get remote along with it, the side speakers. So it works as a 5.1 channel with surround, Dolby Atmos, so you'll almost get the effect that you get in a theater, almost the same. So these are the side speakers. First we'll have them removed, unpacked. Yep. So we get two of this, which goes with the side. So I'm just gonna place it here. This is the remote that you get along with it. And this box, you have all the accessories, the cables in them, and the manual. So everything comes with that. Yeah, this is the one you use for you when you move the speaker, for you to get the surround effect. So that is when you just put it in. I'm just skipping it now. Later I will just show you how it works. So the manual is here. So let's skip to setting it up. Unboxing, complete unbox. So here is the bar. Same information that you see on the box is here as well. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna place it there. So you see JBL, and the finish is really good. I like the finish of it. It has a kind of a matte finish, and little rough surface here and a smooth one here. Okay, and these things go on the side. This has a power on button, and it is also chargeable. You can use this as a portable speaker. It's not necessary that you can use only with the bar. You can use it as a portable speaker. You have a C port charging here, portable Bluetooth speaker. So all you need is a app that requires to be connected, JBL app. JBL these are wireless, so you can even use it as a surround effect. You can unplug it, so when you're watching movie or anything, any good Dolby Atmos videos, you can just place it at the back and you'll get the surround effect. And yeah, now we're gonna unbox the subwoofer. So this is the woofer. Even this one is wireless. Even the woofer is wireless. So there's a cable for it to be charged. So everything works with the chargings. There's ports at the back for the charging. This is the place where you can connect the cable. This is a subwoofer. You can see at the bottom, woofer. Okay, you can see at the bottom the woofer effect goes down. Yeah, down firing speakers. They don't come in the sides or upwards. Just gonna keep it right next to that. And And I just have the cables connected. So we're just gonna connect these cables, the HDMI cable, and this is the power cable for the sound bar. You can see the ports here: HDMI port, power port, USB. Even you can play with USB if you require. Alright, so it's all connected. So everything works wireless, even the subwoofer, the side speakers, everything is completely wireless. See how it looks. Okay, just gonna play something as we have connected it. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, just we have turned it on. You can see it says loading. There's an LED light which comes here to display the volume and the mode. And these speakers, they start charging when you have it connected. So you can see both the sides, the lights blink. So the red, it states that it is charging.
There was an idea.
Just playing a Dolby effect video.
To bring together a group of remarkable people. To see if we could become something more. So when they needed us, we could fight the battles that they never could. In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, yet to fail all the same.
Okay, so we're gonna explain about the technical spec about the sound bar, JBL 800 bar.
We'll start with the remote. So if you see the remote, it has an option for the rear, the bass, and the Dolby Atmos. You can adjust the ranges accordingly, and then you have Bluetooth connectivity and TV to connect to the TV if you have a HDMI ARC output, and then the normal HDMI. This is the normal HDMI in case you connect your Alexa or something of that, any gadget that you connect to your HDMI port. And then you have calibration. You're supposed to set up your wireless devices, keep it under distance, and then click on calibrate. Then you'll start calibrating depending upon where you sit. Okay, so this is the entire box. You have upward firing speakers here, which is your Atmos. It goes up, fires the sound, and comes back down. Then you have your input button here, your volume button, up, down. That is all you get in terms of hard buttons are constrained. At the back, you have ports. So what are the ports you have? You have a power cord, you have a USB, you have a LAN port, you have HDMI in, you have HDMI ARC, and then you have an optical port. So
Difference between HDMI in.
the difference between HDMI in and HDMI ARC is HDMI ARC connects to your TV. It's always your TV that gets connected to HDMI ARC. And for your Fire Stick, or you have any other input devices, you use the HDMI in. As of now, I think the only recognized Dolby Atmos supported HDMI device is your Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick, and if you have a Chromecast, just connect it here. Optical is only for sound. Again, you can connect it from your TV to your device if you don't have a HDMI ARC, whereas my TV supports HDMI ARC, hence we have connected the HDMI ARC port here. So I'll just put back the device. This is a wireless device, so if you just see, I'm just going to dismantle it. That is all, and then you will see a white light, which means that it's ready to be used. So what I usually do is you just take your device and place it somewhere behind where you usually watch. So if you're sitting here, you keep your device there and then you remove the other one and keep it the other side. So if you see, I've kept them in two different directions, one here and one there. Okay, and this is how you configure your setup. Once you're done, you press the caliber button. So if you see this, I'm going to press the caliber button and just see what happens. If you see, it says calibration in progress. It starts with a countdown. Now your calibration is working. It's going to start the calibration. Calibration is done. If you see that, it says calibration is done. So it calibrates your sound bar with your wireless that you have kept it behind. So it calibrates the exact distance and then adjusts the volumes that is required accordingly. And this is your Atmos. This Atmos will fire up and it will be received by the receivers, and hence your entire setup for Dolby Atmos is done. So this is the devices you get in the box. It has your wall mount bracket in case you decide to mount your soundbar to the wall. You have it here, and these are the covers, the lids. So if you just see this, these are the lids that can be used. Let's say you dismantle your wireless speaker at the back end. I'll just show you how it works. So there's a lot of sensitive ports here. So let's say you want to keep them safe. All you have to do is, this one is provided, just attach them like this, and that is it.
They
so
have
everything
the
is
magnetic.
Yeah, they are magnetic and they are protected now. So this is for at this device, okay? And then you have this. So these can be used at your soundbar. So your soundbar also is exposed now. So if you want to protect it, you have to just push it there, and that's it. It becomes a curve, and the same thing goes here. So that is your finished soundbar, and your wireless speakers have the required protection. They have these behind and they have the required protection. So you also have the power on off switch here, and then you have, in case you want to charge them remotely, you have a wireless C port. So everything is wireless, including the subwoofer. It's a 10-inch down-firing speaker. This 10-inch down-firing speaker gives you the you have other bars, 1000 and bar 1300. It's the same for a subwoofer you will get for all the three models.
Just the output depends. 800 watts, 1000 watts and 1300 watts. Yeah. So we're just gonna play one video with all the surround.
Evacuate the city. Engage all defenses. And get this man a shield.
You have the option to adjust your Dolby. So you just see this is the Dolby button. If you see there, it goes low, medium and high. This is for Dolby, and then you have bars if you want to adjust bars. That's the levels you have.
Does put a smile on my face.
And then you have rear, that is mute, low, high. Yeah, that's about the remote features is concerned.
Who the hell are you guys?
Done. Alright. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. and there'll be a next unboxing video of a new device.